Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bake salmon, uncovered, 4 to 6 minutes per 1/2 inch thickness. Bake a dressed salmon 6 to 9 minutes per 8 ounces of fish. Always check your fish at the minimum baking time to ensure your baked salmon doesn't get overcooked. 4 December 2020.
Take our lead.
How long to bake? For fillets and steaks, use a ruler to measure the thickness of the fish before cooking, then bake, uncovered, in the preheated 450 degrees Fahrenheit oven 4 to 6 minutes per 1/2 inch thickness of fish.
Take our lead.
If you prefer to make a gourmet baked salmon, use parchment paper instead of foil when cooking the fish. You place salmon fillets on a large sheet of the parchment, add seasoning and vegetables, then fold the parchment around the fish, vegetables and herbs. You then bake it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. 27 December 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.